Ada orang ke tidak ni sebenarnya? At least you can write in the chat, no question, is clear. Are you here or your mind is not here? Okay, okay. Wei-Jin? You can turn on your mic, Wei-Jin.
Okay, Prof.
Okay, tak ada apa-apa soalan?
Tak ada.
Alright, okay. Anyone has any problem? Okay, we have to start with the first one, ya. Okay, ada markah untuk apa ni? Kak Hana dengan Abang Syiham akan lihat ya siapa yang supporting or probably hari tu ada 2 orang, 3 orang dah wakil representative from WhatsApp group. Okay, so the first chapter is about fundamental logic and counting. So the very first definition that you have seen actually from set theory and logic. So that's definition 1.1. You can refer to our recorded version later if your internet is like tak dengar sangat, or you don't have to like write everything because you have your notes later, right? But you just make sure you understand. Okay, statement or proposition. Boleh nampak tak? Dan you hear me clearly? Yes, Wei-Jin, good. Amirul, boleh nampak ke tu dengan topi yang ni? Nampak eh? That's good. You can do the reaction, right? Okay, reaction. Macam tu pun boleh nampak. Okay. Now, a statement or proposition is a declarative sentence that is either true or false. If you are given a statement, if you can say it's true or you can say it is false, then it is called a statement or proposition. So I give some examples. Okay, you have to tell me yes or no. Right, in the example, the earth is round. Yes, it's true or not? True or false? You can put in the chat, true or false. Okay, not yes. True or false? True, right? The earth is round. So the answer is yes. Okay, because that is a true and false. Okay, and yes, it is a statement. The earth is round. Even if you say this is false, then it is still a statement. 2 plus 3 equals 6. Is it a statement? Yes, because it is a false statement, right? 2 plus 3 is 5, it's not 6. At least you know it's true or false. Okay, the next one is, do you speak English? Do you speak English? No, because you don't know whether it's true or false, right? So if you can say the answer is true or false, it is a statement. It's just that easy, okay? Another one is question no. So normally question would be no. Take 2 aspirins. Take that book. Take that book. It's not true or false. Suruhan, yeah? This is not. The sun will come out tomorrow. Hopefully it's true, right? So it is a statement. Okay. Now we go to the next one. I think it's clear. If you can put in true or false, then it is called statement or proposition. Okay, okay, thumbs up, thumbs up. I go next. Okay, why do I put this silau? That's why there is a red line. Okay, the next one is the ulangan step theory and logic, logical connective. Logical connectives and compound statements. Okay, the first one is the not. The not, which is a negation. Okay. The second one is what we call it, the and. Okay, the and is conjunction. And the third one would be the or the disjunction. Right. So this one, if we have two statements, so you have to have statements before you combine. So if we have a P statement, a Q statement, we have true or false, then you can combine, or if it's just itself, you can take the not. If you can combine two, you can use and, or you can use or, and then you can get another truth value. We call it truth value. Okay, now the next one that you have to remember is the truth tables. Truth tables. All right. Okay. Saya dengar macam saya mute kan All right. Okay. Okay. First, I want to my statement to be P or Q. Small p, sometimes they use capital P. So if you have P as statement, all right, then for the 1P, you have true or false, right? 2 to the 1, 2 to the 1, true or false. So not true will be false, not false will be true. Easy, all right? If you have P and you have Q for P, what do I start with? Or Q. All right. So how many choices? That will be 4 choices, right? 2 is always 2 to the how many? Statement, right? So one statement P, you get 2 choices. If you have 2 statement P and Q, you have 2 to the 2, 4. 4. And how do you put this? 4 divided by 2, TT, and then FF. Yeah, 4 you divide by 2. And then divide again by 2, so you get TF, TF, right? So that is the possibility. The or means if you have at least one true, it will be true. All right, that is the rule for or. If you have only one, at least one true, it will be true. So there is a true here, there is true here, there's. So the only time it is false is when both are false. Rule dia lah, right? That is for all. For the and, it will be always true if both are true. To rule there. It will be true if both are true. So true and the rest will be false, right? You have seen this before, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, now we have another example that you have to put in sentence. Okay, you have to put in sentence. So it's given there in my example. Okay. example. Okay, P is, it is raining. Right, P, it is raining. Q, I am cold. All right, don't get confused with the regular sentence and the English sentence and the mathematical sentence. Okay, the English sentence can be gibberish, meaning not logic, but the mathematics is logic. So what we want to do is the mathematical sentence, yeah? So if you do like this, you will say, it is raining and I am cold, right? If you want to do this, it is raining or I am cold, which is not actually a nice English sentence, but it's a good, or it's a right mathematical structure for this class. All right, so depending on the question, right, you have to put the sentence accordingly. Don't get confused with the English and with the mathematical sentence. So this one would say, it is raining and I am cold. For this one, it is raining or I am cold. Okay, but sometimes you can make it better, the English sentence. For example, okay, I give you this. Okay, I have a car. I have my car is red. My car is beautiful. Can you write a sentence with this? Who want to try? If you just use this and read the example, it will say, I have a car and my car is red and my car is beautiful. That is okay, but it is not that very nice, okay? Osama said, I have a car which is red and beautiful. I have a red car that is beautiful. I have a car and it is red and beautiful. I have a car and my car is red and beautiful. Well, that sentence needs to be improved. I have a red and beautiful car. Different than I have a red car that is beautiful. That means if it is not red, it might not be beautiful, right? My red car is beautiful is different. This is telling that you have a car and that car is red and that car is beautiful. See, when you make it, my red car is beautiful is talking about that red car. I have a beautiful red car. It's okay, that's good. I have a car, my car is red and beautiful, okay. I have a car, it is red and beautiful, okay. I have a red car that is beautiful, says something a little bit different. It's like, because it's red, then it's beautiful, right? What if it's not red? English is actually quite complicated. But anyhow, wow, time flies so fast. What is the time now actually? My watch here and there. 48, right? So I had 2 more minutes. I have a beautiful red car. That is also nice, right? I have a beautiful red car. It's very short, simple, and concise. All right. So this is just the beginning of this chapter. What you have to do is to go through the section for this, not the whole chapter 1 because it covers 4 weeks. But if you haven't, go through the one at least for this week, okay? And just go through, you don't need to understand 100%, but if it's already becoming familiar to you, it would be nice to refresh your memory from before, right? So after this, I will go through implication, if then, all right? And then there will be if and only if, that is an equivalent, just to refresh again, right? All the truth tables where, and we have seen this before, that's why you probably it's much easier because it's familiar to you.